Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Tesla style Android 9 Pie system special for Ford Mustang 2015 to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Here's the box. Okay, this is the head unit for the Mustang. Okay, this is the head unit. And this is a cable connects to head unit and the screen. This harness. Let me show harness it first. Okay, you can check this special harness and canvas box. This canvas box Ford Mustang. Canvas box. Okay, this adapter. This adapter for original backup camera. Original backup camera. This is for original backup camera, and this one for speaker and power. Okay. And this camera input wire. It's AUX left and right output, audio out. Okay, this is K2 and GND for steering wheel control. This is K2 and K1 GND wire for steering wheel control. Okay. It comes with speaker, small speaker, and this GPS antenna, this camera in, aftermarket camera in cable. This is audio cable, and this subwoofer, and this is audio out left and right, front and rear. Okay. This AUX video input and AUX input left and right. Okay, this long cable for USB cable to USB cable and external microphone. Okay, this is original USB. This radio antenna. Okay. Let me show screen. Okay, you can check this front. This is Um, AC, this microphone, and this button. This mode. Okay. And you can check this USB, original USB. It's original. You can check the back. And this is for original connection. Okay, this agent. This connects to header unit. This need power. This cable connects the back. You can check this connected. Okay, and let me show header unit. Okay, you can check this wire diagram. Disconnect this cable. Plug and play. Okay. This drive agent, this radio, this audio, and the USB, this Wi-Fi, and other connection. This power, this fuse, this GPS antenna. Okay. Let me connect. Okay, you can check connected. Header unit. This need to connect to power. This is power connection. Okay. Let me find something to fix screw and the header unit. Check something. Okay, let me connect the power. Okay, header unit start up. Okay, head unit already started. Okay, you can check this front panel. It's Tesla style. Let me show. You have navigation, radio, music, Bluetooth, movie, and phone link. Easy connection, for easy connection, mirror link, Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's AUX. Video, you need to set it in the settings. These settings. All apps are here. You can check built-in Google Maps and Google Play Store. File manage. You check the settings. And this navigation, GPS, date and time, set the language, this amplifier, and dimmer, this user setting, auto navigation and split screen, packing, touch tone, ACC, and other settings you can check. Brake you can turn off or turn on. Okay, it supports steering control system information. You can check Android 9 Pie system. This is PX6 RK3399, RAM 4GB, ROM 32GB. Okay, it's reset and install. It's radio, touch key, and boot logo. You can set the boot logo. Many settings. It supports Wi-Fi and system. You can check about tablet PX6 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, have it back. Okay, this AC information, it's volume. This, if you connect it, will show the AC information by this. Okay. This you need to connect this cable on back, these buttons. Okay. And this setting screen. And Wi-Fi, just brightness. Okay, that's all. Thank you.